Hey guys, today we are going to talk about DC versus KKR Dream 11 prediction. This match is going to take place at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad and it is between Delhi Capitals versus Kolkata Knight Riders. It is match 25 of Indian Premier League. Let's proceed. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel. Take the phone of your friend or family member and just subscribe it. It's very easy. And join my Telegram channel if you haven't joined it. Link is in description and top comment. This is the whole DC squad. You can pause the video and check. This is the whole KKR squad. You can again pause the video and check. This is the playing 11 of DC. Do you expect any changes? Well, let me know in the comment section. But I expect one change. Maybe instead of Steve Smith, Sam Billings will play. Why? We will see later. Okay, so this is one change expected in the KKR playing 11. A lot of changes are expected actually. Maybe you will see Gill going to the middle order, or maybe he will be removed. You can also see Nitish Rana go out, and because Gill is not playing very with very freedom in partnership with Nitish Rana. That's why maybe Nitish Rana can be kicked out of the team. Poor Nitish Rana. But when very important fact about Nitish Rana is there. When I will tell you about that fact now, you will be tempted to take Nitish Rana in the next match in the dream team. And why, we will talk about it later. So watch the full video, okay? And maybe Tripathi will be asked to open, maybe Narayan will be asked to open. Tripathi is good at any position. He has the similar record at opening number 3, number 4. So no worries whether Tripathi will open or not. Narayan may open, but Narayan has a very important player battle. So just keep that in mind. So guys, now let's move forward. There is no injury update, and in the points table, DC is currently at number 3. Very strong team. It has won 4 out of 6 matches. KKR is at number 5. It has won 2 out of 6 matches. So guys, these are the whole T20 career stats of DC batsmen. You can pause the video and check. Similarly for DC bowlers, KKR batsmen and KKR bowlers stats are there. Guys, this ground is actually Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, at which not a lot of T20 matches have been played after the renovation, but these are the last 5 T20 matches. 3 matches from India England series and 2 matches of this IPL are there. In the first match of this IPL, PBKS could not score a lot of runs. There is a joker, there is a clown called Kevin Peterson who said it would be a batting wicket. What happened? PBKS could score only 123 runs and lost 9 wickets. So that's why many people they suffered a lot of loss in that match because of this prediction of Kevin Peterson. So let's not take him seriously next time. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel. Okay, don't forget. And in the last 5 matches, batting first team has won 3 times, batting second team has won 2 times. What is the secret of winning while batting first? Well, there are 2 things. First, you have to pray a lot so that a sandstorm comes in the middle of the innings and it wipes away all the dew from the grass. That's what happened in the last match. Due to sandstorm, there was no dew, and that's why RCB was able to defend the target. Important thing, okay? But what happened in the other 2 matches? India easily defended the target because it scored 180 plus. So in order to defend the target, you need to score 180 plus. Remember this thing. There is no point of knowing the average first innings winning score because there are 11 different pitches and each pitch reacts differently. Okay. And in the last 5 matches, what has happened? In the first innings, 22 wickets have fallen against fast bowlers, 7 against spinners. In the second innings, 20 wickets have fallen against fast bowlers and 5 against spinners. Overall, we can see 29 wickets have fallen in the first innings and 25 in the second innings. So you can see more wickets are falling in the first innings because chasing is little bit easier. But another important thing, what happens in the first innings, on an average 6 wickets are falling. In the second innings, on an average 5 wickets are falling. So what happens in a particular match? In a particular match, 6 plus 5 equal to 11 wickets will fall on an average. How many points do we get for 11 wickets? 11 into 25 equal to 275 points. You can check with calculator if you have any doubt. And average score, let's assume it's 160, and then even when this is the average score, total how many runs will be scored in the first innings? Let's say 160 were scored. In the second innings also 160 were scored. Total 320 runs will be scored. We get 1 point for each run. Remember this thing. So there are total 320 points for batting and 275 for taking wickets. So clearly batting has more advantage. So try to take 7 batsmen in your team. But what happened in the last 2 matches? We have seen that in the last 2 matches, when you will go and observe the dream teams, there are more bowlers in your team. We will discuss about it later. Guys, these are the matches of both these teams in this IPL. You can pause the video and check. This is the form of DC players in this IPL of last 5 matches. So Prithvi Shaw, he played actually very well in the last match. He scored 21. But what happened once the ball got little bit softer, Prithvi Shaw was not able to hit it outside the circle. That's what happened, and that's why he got into pressure and he got out. And Dhawan, he could not play well in the last match. Steve Smith also failed in the last match, and Rishabh Pant and Hetmyer were hero of the last match. In the bowling section, each bowler took 1 wicket. You can see here. And Chris Wokes, he is not playing for the last 3 matches, but maybe he will come back tomorrow. Among the KKR players, we can see Gill is not performing in the last 5 matches. His scores in the last 3 matches were 0, 11, and 9. In the last match, he scored only 9 runs. Nitish Rana got out on a duck on the last match. Now comes the very important and interesting fact about Nitish Rana. Guys, in his IPL career, whenever Nitish Rana has got out on a 0, in the next innings, what has he scored? First time he got out on 0, he scored 11 runs. Second time he got out on 0, he scored 80 plus. Third time he got out on 0, he scored 80 plus. Fourth time he got out on 0, next innings he scored 80 plus. Remember this thing. This time again he got out on 0. Will be his score in the next innings? Well, I leave it on you. Do your maths, apply your IQ, and predict the score of Nitish Rana in the next innings. Let's talk about Tripathi. He has been very responsible in the last 2 matches. We have seen that, and I think in the next match also he will play very responsibly unless he is asked to open and given a free license to like hit every ball. Otherwise, he will be very disciplined. And Naren, he took 2 wickets in the last match. Was a very important player for all the players who were looking for a differential in their head-to-head teams. Narayan acted as a differential and he gave away a lot of points. And Morgan played very well in the last match. Very important player in case again openers fail in the next match. So guys, in the Ahmedabad, DC has won not a single match, and it has lost all the matches. KKR has won all the matches. Let's look at the record of decent KKR batsmen at this stadium. Ajinkya Rana has a very high average. Pant has a good record. Karthik has a good record. Karun Nair also has a good record. Remember, Karun Nair is again at the top of the list. Morgan has a good record, and again you can see Russell does not have a very good record. Many players are missing because I have included stats of only those players who have played more than 2 matches. Okay, and among the bowlers, we can see Narayan has a bowling strike rate of 12 at this ground. In the last match also, he had the similar bowling strike rate 42. He bowled 4 overs, got 2 wickets. That was equal to bowling strike rate of 12. Similar thing can happen in the next match also. So remember this thing about Sunil Narayan becomes a very important player for you. Ishant Sharma has a good record, and Akshar Patel, it is a home ground of Akshar Patel. Remember this thing, he can give you at least 1 wicket. Head to head, KKR has always dominated DC, but in the last 5 matches, DC has won 4 times. Last match was won by KKR. Why? We will discuss it later. Most important thing will come later. Now, player battles are actually very interesting and they will influence your selection. So, we can see here Rabada has got out Narayan 2 times in 8 balls, and Rabada has also taken wicket of Karthik 2 times in 10 balls. What happened? What else has happened? Cummins has got wicket of Steve Smith 2 times in 9 balls. Cummins and Smith, they play for the same domestic team, New South Wales, in the Australian domestic cricket, so they know each other very well, and they have of course faced each other in nets for a lot of time. So of course Cummins get Smith another time. Russell, now let's his player battles against Stoinis 2 wickets, against Punt 2 wickets, and against Smith 2 wickets in 22 balls becomes a very important pick for your next match. But the thing with Russell is he's not bowling the death overs, he's bowling the middle overs, remember, in the last 2 matches. Okay, and DC batsman versus KKR, Prithvi Shaw has a very good average. Billings has a good record, so maybe Billings will come in place of Steve Smith. You never know. Dhawan, Smith have also very good record. Stoinis and Hetmyer do not have a very good record, but Hetmyer is in a good touch, so maybe he will improve his record in the next match. Among the bowlers, we can see Nokia and Rabada. Man, they are top bowlers. Umesh Yadav has no chances of playing in the next match unless Ishant Sharma gets injured or he pulls up his hamstring. Nokia and Nevada, if both of them play, they can run through the KKR lineup very easily. Such a good record against KKR. Among the batsmen of KKR, Karun Nair has a very high average. So Karun Nair has a good record at this ground. He has a very good record against DC. Maybe you will see him play the next match. Let's see what happens. Russell has a good record overall against DC. Rana has a good record. Karthik also has good record, and Gill also. Overall, KKR players have very good record except Narayan and Morgan, who maybe they will improve in the record in the next match because Morgan and Tripathi are in a good touch. Among the bowlers, we can see Prasidh Krishna does not have a good record, and who else does not have a good record? Shivam Mavi. Otherwise, we can see Pawan Negi who will not play. CV Varun, he has a bowling strike of 8, which means he takes a wicket against DC in every 8 balls. Why? He took a fifer in last match against DC, which KKR won in UAE. So remember this thing, Varun Chakravarti, he took a fifer in last match against DC. What can happen in the next match? Whether DC will play him very carefully or they will play him normally. Normally he is taking 1 wicket in each match, which is good enough for us. So we will definitely take CV Varun, which means Varun Chakravarti in our squad. Russell and Cummins also have good record. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then why are you waiting? Subscribe to the channel quickly. Take the phone of your friends and family members and quickly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, and like the video and tell me in the comment section what you liked about the video. Guys, now let's move to the Dream 11. In the wicket keeping section, we have Rishabh Pant and Dinesh Karthik. Who do you want to take? I want to take Rishabh Pant for a moment. Okay, let's take Rishabh Pant. In the batting, we can see Shikhar Dhawan is there, Rahul Tripathi is there. Two very informed batsmen, so we'll definitely take them. Rana is a risky choice because we already saw his record after getting a duck. So what will happen in the next match? It's very unpredictable. In the last 4 innings, he is not playing well. So let's see if we are facing any credit problem. Then we'll see some other options. Currently, I'm going with Prithvi Shaw in the all-rounder section. I will go with Andre Russell, no doubt. You can go with Sunil Narayan in place of Nitish Rana. That's completely your choice. Narayan has a good record at this ground, so keep this thing in mind. I will go with homeboy Akshar Patel. He has been in a very good form for the last few matches against England. Also in the test matches, he performed very well. And since it is his home ground, I think he will take at least 1 wicket. So that's why I'm taking Akshar Patel. No other reason. I'm going with Pat Cummins. In the last match, he got 2 wickets. Was in a very good rhythm. That's why I'm taking Pat Cummins. Also, he has a record player battle against Steve Smith. So if he will take at least 1 wicket, that's good for us. I'm also taking Avesh Khan and Rabada because of player battles, and then I'm taking Varun Chakravarti. His selection is very low, which is very surprising to be honest. And now you can take Sunil Narayan if you want. You can even take Nitish Rana if you want. So one player is left. Whoever you want to take, just go ahead. You can even take Evan Morgan. So that completely depends on you. If you think Nitish Rana will fail again in the next match, you can drop Nitish Rana and take Evan Morgan if it's a batting pitch. If it is not a batting pitch, you can take Sunil Narayan. So currently I am going with Nitish Rana, but we will definitely change our team after knowing the pitch report and after what the captains say at the toss. But I will not focus too much on the pitch report if the clown Kevin Peterson comes again at the pitch report. In the first match, he said that it will be a batting wicket, and what happened? Punjab Kings they scored 125 for 9 in the first innings, completely ruined everyone's fantasy teams, and that's why I don't trust Kevin Peterson anymore. And let's see if we get some other expert on the pitch report. Otherwise, we will rely on whatever captains say in there during the toss. Okay, so this is our final team combination, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then why are you waiting? Subscribe to the channel fast and join the Telegram channel. Link is in description and top comment if you haven't joined yet. Also like the video and tell me in the comment section what you liked about the video. See you in the next match. Bye.